Up, boys and girls? Oh, did you not hear me? What's up, boys and girls? Today, we're gonna be playing Car Crusher. Oh my god! Oh my, what's happening to me? Okay, today we'll be playing this. I don't care. It's time to crush this. I want to kill this car. Come on, go faster, you idiot. Oh my god! Oh my god! Help me. This is gonna kill me. I promise you. Oh my god. What is this? What is happening to me? What is happening to me? What is happening to me? Help me. What is happening to me? I am back. Okay, I am back. Oh my god. I just got pulled into that. Ooh. I accidentally crashed into that. Help me. Oh, help me. What the hell? Why was I drifting? Oh, I broke my car. Aray ko. Yeah, boy. Oh my god. Help me. Help me. Help me. Ah. Why is nobody helping me? Is it just me in this tornado? Get me out of here. Oh, help me. I am also being flinged. I gotta respond. Oh my. Why am I so coughing? Why am I coughing so much? Okay, we'll be approaching this yes, we'll be approaching this horn tornado. Yes, horn tornado. Come on, take me. Take me, please. Ah, take me. Oh god. Oh, it's already destroying the car. Oh my god. Okay, when am I gonna get flinged? Please let me get flinged. Come on. Let me get flinged. Ah! Oh my god, I am drowning. I just died. I almost just died. Anyways, today we're just gonna be crashing our cars. This might be the longest video I have yet. So here we go. Oh my god, I forgot that was a road barrier. Boom! Ay, akala ko oh my god. Me. I think I need some medicine. Hey, femboy. Femboy boy. What the hell? What the hell is that name? What kind of name is that? Femboy boy. What does that fucking mean? Why are all these Robux? Oh wait. We will be using the pigeon. Boys. What the fuck? We will be using the pigeon. If you haven't looked at Smuyes videos. Go check it out so you know what I mean about a pigeon. I mean the Ibisho pigeon. Okay, so it's time to crush this pigeon. I forgot. This pigeon cannot swim underwater. I am back with pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeon time. Pigeon. Oh. I want to kill. I want to kill this car. Ooh, tornado. What could possibly happen? Aray ko. Yes, I am a Filipino bata. Help me. I also speak some English sometimes. Oh my god. I just got flinged from my own car. Thankfully I did because that is dangerous. Help me! Help me! Oh my god, how is the Dominator doing this? Oh wait, I forgot, it's an interceptor. Obviously it can do it. Aray ko. Ah! Ouch! My head hurts. I will teleport. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Ah! Aray ko. Destroy a vehicle in the crusher. Help me. I think I need some help. Oh my god, pigeon is being flinged. I am being flinged. We are both being flinged. All of us are being flinged. Help me. Help me, pigeon. Pigeon. Dominator, help me. Okay. We are not doing that again. We will just go. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh. What the fuck? Oh, pigeon. Pigeon are flinged. Ibisho pigeon. Pigeon is going to the deep. Nothing. You are only going to your birthday party. Don't worry, you're not being killed. Whee! Oh, I'm gonna crash. Wow. Aray ko. Aray ko. Aray ko. I keep colliding. I keep colliding with everything. Oh my god. Am I only stupid? Okay. Let's go, pigeon. Hi, help me. My head hurts. Oh. Okay. That was kind of simple. And that guy just crashed into a wall. What the fuck? And off we go. Oh shit. Well, it's not like I actually need to be in the crusher, obviously. Fast. Go forward. Ibisho pigeon. Pigeon time. It's time for me to kill this car. Pigeon, pigeon. Aray ko. Aray ko. Oh my. Help me. Help me. I'm being... Oh my. I'm breaking my bones. What the fuck? I don't even have the Chevrolet and what is that? This? Okay. Time to crash car. Aray ko. Okay, seriously, let's be serious. Oh, I kind of forgot. I accidentally opened that. I already did open that. Oh my god, let me go to row 2. Right. What the fuck? And I'm just face planting. Yay! And what the fuck? And what am I supposed to unlock? Derabayay ay I just crashed my own car into another car. Oh my god, and it's front drive. That's it for the video, guys. I actually am sick.